What up, YouTube? I have a little thing here that I've been meaning to unbox for a while, and I kind of put it on the back burner because there's a lot going on. But Randomonium got this for me a little bit ago, a couple months ago, and I want to open it up and let's see. Let's see what it does. Okay. Got here. We have a base. Everybody needs a good base, a good base, a good base. We have a pluggy. Goes right in that little hole right there. Let's get the extension cord over here. See if I can blow a fuse. Yeah, the electricity comes and goes so quickly around here. We have a light, so that means it's powered. That bit works. Look at those little eyes. Hey, if you haven't hit the thumbs up or subscribed or all that shit, it's a good time to do it before I hit the button. Before I hit the power switch. Ooh. Okay. He looks proper. Do you think he's got the grooves? I don't know. Let's see. Happy with Tubi? Yes, please leave a Tube Man review on our Amazon. No? Please send us an email. And we'll be happy to help you out. Well, that's nice. Thank you for supporting our small Tube Man company. Stay wacky. Let's see what we got here. Yes! Everybody dance now. Boom, 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 boom. I have a new dance partner. Yay! Hey, TGIF.